Are you looking for a quick and easy grilled chicken dinner? Stay tuned. Welcome to Cooking with Chef Rich. Today I'm going to show you how to make a very quick, nutritionally sound, and delicious dinner for your family. So we're going to start right in. The first thing that we're going to do is because we're going to be grilling some potatoes, we have to boil them first. So I have some potatoes over here. We're going to just cover this with water and bring them up to boil. We're going to use similar seasoning for all our vegetables, potatoes, and chicken. And I'm just going to run through the spices. Salt, granulated garlic, paprika, black pepper, rosemary for the potatoes, and tarragon for the chicken, all dry. So we're going to start off by seasoning our vegetables, and I'm going to season salt, black pepper, a little granulated garlic, and then we're just going to give it a quick shot of cooking spray to give it a little bit of fat. Season are both our asparagus and our cherry tomatoes. And to this, we're going to add some fresh garlic. And in a bowl, we're going to add just a little bit of olive oil. We're going to add some pepper, about enough for the vegetables. Some salt, pour it on top of our vegetables, and give a really good mix. The next thing that we want to do is we want to season up our chicken. We're going to be using some salt, and you don't have to go too heavy on the salt. Some pepper, black pepper, some granulated garlic, some paprika. And the last thing is tarragon. You don't want to go too heavy on tarragon. Tarragon adds a great flavor to chicken. However, if you put too much on, it actually has a very overpowering flavor and won't taste good. The first thing that we have to do is grill our peppers. After 5 minutes, turn over your grilled peppers. After 3 to 5 minutes, when the peppers are grilled to your liking, remove from grill, put the chicken legs on the grill. My potatoes were cooking for right about a half an hour. How do you know when they're done? A knife goes into it relatively easy, but when it gets to the middle, there's some force. That means it's not all the way cooked, it's like 3/4 of the way cooked. And now very simply, we're going to cut these in half, and then cut them in half again. If you're working with them when they're burning hot, be careful because they are burning hot. You can actually cook these in the morning, refrigerate them until you're ready to use, and then just take them out of the refrigerator and season them and put them on the grill. Our chicken legs are still cooking, and now we're going to season the potatoes and get those ready for grilling. We're going to do a light amount of rosemary, a little bit of paprika, some salt, some black pepper, some granulated garlic. Lastly, but very important, some cooking spray. Very important so your potatoes don't stick to the grill. Our chicken is about 3/4 of the way cooked, so I put it on the shelf above. And now I'm going to start to grill my potatoes. I have some space on my grill, so now I'm going to start with my asparagus. After 5 minutes, turn the potatoes over. In the end, it took me right about an hour and a half to prep the whole dinner, to prep it, to cook it, and plate it. So an hour and a half in total. If it's you and your husband or you and your wife, it should take less than an hour and a half. But as you can see, we have chicken legs and chicken breasts, potatoes, lots of vegetables. So we have a very nice dinner. In an hour and a half, that's pretty good for like a nice dinner. Anyway, let's take a taste, see what we created. Love grilled chicken. That's really good. Has a great flavoring. Obviously the grill marks give it a little bit of a smoky flavor. Try our potatoes. They're actually perfectly cooked. Just very nice flavoring as well. And of course our asparagus. Not the vegetables. I love asparagus. I grill asparagus all the time actually. So. Really good. Really nice dinner we're about to have, and I can't wait for it. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel, and be safe, everyone. I will see you in the next video. Take care.